Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Miss Nene, and today I'm going to show you I was going to delete this video, but I decided to go ahead and put this video out as an epic fail video because to me, this one was an epic fail. It really was. But before I get into that, I wanted to thank all my new subscribers who were sent over by my daughter, the Glitter Queen from the Nail Candy Shop. I appreciate you new subscribers, and I'm glad you're here. And I also want to show some love for my subscribers that's already been here with me from the beginning. So I wanted to send some love to you as well. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate you. So I also want to mention that my daughter and I are doing a collab together. She is having a giveaway where she is giving away something from her online shop, and I am also donating a gift, an item from my online shop. My prize that I'm donating would be a set of my coasters. So the winner can go to my Etsy shop and pick out the set of coasters that they like, and that would be the one that you will receive if you're the one that wins the giveaway. I will be linking her information so that you can, if you want to be a part of this giveaway, I will be linking her information in the description and the links to my Etsy shop, to the coasters, and yeah, you can go from there. All her rules and regulations are on her YouTube channel description, so you may want to go ahead and do that, and yeah, be a part of the giveaway. Now, the people who have already been sent to me from her, you guys already know what's up. So this is for the people who did not come from my daughter, the Glitter Queen. This is for people who have already been here, who don't know anything about the Candyland Nation. But yeah, the information will be linked in my description below, in my comment section below. So, or description, I'm sorry, in my description. So be sure to check that out. And good luck to everybody who joins. So, the problem that I had with this painting is also my own fault as well. I was really off on my game this time. I didn't use enough paint. I tried this sorry open cup pour, which was so bad because I didn't put enough paint in it. You'll see. I'm gonna let it play and let you see the errors of my ways and what I did. But also the paint, just to me, when it dried finally, it didn't dry as vibrant as I hoped that it would. I don't know, I just don't like it. To me, it was an epic fail. But instead of deleting it, I wanted to show it because I will be doing, I will try to redeem myself and try to give it a second chance to see if it was all me, or was it me or a combination of the paint. I don't know, but I am definitely going to try it again on a smaller canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and let it play. I sped up some areas, but I will be back and forth to explain different things in the video. So yeah, enjoy. I'll be back. Okay, so yeah, here it is. I hate it. I really do. I hate the way it looks in the center, but I love the cells on the side, and that's from the open cup when I was swirling around. What it developed those little cells on the side, but yeah, the rest of it is just I hate it. I can't even tell you enough how much I hate the way it looks in the center, but yeah, it is what it is. But that's what it looks like completed. Let me know what you think about that in the description. But here's a close-up of it so you can see more detail. See? See how those cells, they just look so beautiful. I love the cells. I love the colors. And then there's this in the center. Ugh. Man. I thought, well, maybe it'd be like a little funky psychedelic thing. You know, the colors are rich, they're pretty right here. But it definitely did not dry that way. And I will show you the results at the end. But yeah, the cells look perfect. Even though the design in the center is, to me, ugly, I'm sorry, I just don't like it. The colors are vibrant. And I figured, okay, well, you know, the colors are cool. And it's glow-in-the-dark paint, so maybe it'll be, you know, maybe it'll be all right. But, yeah, it wasn't. It really wasn't. But I'm just going to go ahead and let you see the rest. I also did a second one because I had paint left over, and I went on ahead. Well, I had a little paint that I had to put aside, and I went on ahead and tried a different technique, which also failed. Right here, I'm doing the ring pour. Yeah, and again, I screwed this up too. Man, was I having a bad day. Not enough paint. I think it was too thin. It wasn't going across the board like I needed it to. So, it just didn't come out right. Okay, so here we are again. This one, look at how the orange and the yellow just kind of flares off at the edges like that. Beautiful. I love that part. Wasn't happy with the center. My lines were very thin. They didn't look, it just looked like a mess in the center. Again, I don't know if it's me. I don't know if it's the paint. I mean, I've never had two epic fails in the same day. I mean, I've had them, don't get me wrong, but this is probably the worst, I think. And it just, to me, it looks like fire on the edge. And the colors are pretty. The colors look really nice, but they did not dry like this, which was very, very, very disappointing. But, well, that's what it looks like right now, still wet. And I'm going to show you how it looks, still wet, but in the dark, glowing. So here it is. That's so cool. It really glows. So that's really, really good. That part is true. That part works with the deco art, glow in dark paints. I really like that. The design sucks. But this one, you could barely see it. So I don't know why that is. Why one is more vibrant and the other one is you can barely see it. But yeah, I mean, it works. Not this one so much, but the other one really, really stood out. So here it is, fully dry, guys. You see what I mean? Look at it. Dull, dull, dull. Very dull. And then the other one, remember how it looked with the the edges, they look like fire, completely faded into the painting. It just didn't turn out right. But I am going to try this again on a small canvas. Give it a second chance. Give myself a second chance. Give the paint a second chance. Let me know what you think about my epic fail video in the comments below. I appreciate you guys for being here. Don't forget to check out the description to enter the contest. And thank you for being here. I appreciate you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video, which will be very soon. And yeah, it's going to be very soon because it's going to be me trying to redeem myself and give these paints a second chance. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon. Bye.